Well, hello my creative friend and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to make an overview for this book on fashion illustration. This book is by Michele Wesen Bryant and I really love it. Well, as you can see, this is a massive book. It's huge and heavy and it is gorgeous. So it is one of my favorite books on fashion drawing, and believe me, I checked a lot of books in the bookstores on fashion drawing, and I purchased a lot of books on this topic, and I borrowed books from a local library. So this one is my number one. First, it has a great table of contents. So a lot of topics are covered, and first it goes through historical fashion imagery, and then you can see how the fashion figure is broken down. I mean, men, women, children. Then it breaks down the faces, so you can learn how to draw fashion face in 3/4, in profile. And as you can see, it's richly illustrated. There are more than 1000 illustrations in this book, plus high quality polygraphy. So as you can see, you can learn step by step how to draw man's figure, woman's figure. This book focuses on a particular style of fashion illustration. This type of body with elongated bodies, exaggerated bodies, elongated legs and arms. This style of fashion sketching that fashion designers use in the everyday art. For example, it breaks down this famous 9 hats technique, and I talk about this technique in my video course on fashion drawing for beginners. Plus, a great bonus at the end of this book. Here you will find fantastic resources for fashion designers, like contests for fashion designers, blogs to read, a list of museums to visit, and other books. It's really in-depth study, and I think that's because of the author. So the author, Michele Wesen Bryant, she teaches fashion drawing in the Parsons School of Fashion in New York. Just look at it, how many beautiful illustrations, like textures and drawings of accessories. This is a fantastic resource. I would say this is a fashion illustration Bible. Alright, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to draw like a fashion designer, please visit my website and check out my video course on it. Also, subscribe to my Instagram, olgard888fashion, and get everyday inspiration through my posts and stories. So see you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye for now.